Hi. Since we've become so popular, many people have asked me to stay out in the wild for like an entire week. Well, I thought an hour would be just as entertaining. Let's go. My foot! So some of you viewers may have just saw me get hurt, but I decided I'll come out and try it again. So I've decided to take the easy way this time. Please! Please! Alright, try this one more time. Alright, I got it. Also, another thing I had to think of was a place to do it. So I found this place. So as you guys can see, I'm at the point of no return. It's too far back from the house. Alright. 1 second. Hey, Mom. Sandwiches already. Hey, pause the camera, let's go! Alright. So one thing you have to be really careful of out here. I mean, it's like extremely dangerous. You could just like kill yourself, or you know, something could happen to you, and you know, you spider webs. Nothing. It's just spider webs. Alright, let's keep going. Wait. This is a rop. It's very common out here in the wild, or I think I learned about it in history or something. Like, it's supposed to be used like this. Woo! Or something like that. You have to have fun in the wild. Keeps you sane. Whoa, hold it. This is a Sethemon. You have to you have to keep your distance from these people, because they tend to have guns on them. Oh snap, this one has a gun. Run! Ah, that was a close one. 30 minutes, close enough. I'm gonna take a nap.